often do you see a tool like this? This customer called in saying they needed a new 30-gallon water heater installed. And because I'm a plumber, that sounds like a job that I can get done for them. Here's the catch. We're going to be testing out this handheld ProPress tool from iCrim, but we're going to compare it to the automatic Milwaukee ProPress. For the hot side, we'll use the handheld, and for the cold side, we'll use the Milwaukee tool. Obviously, the automatic tool is a lot quicker, but the only problem is it'll probably run you $3,000 to buy one. The cool thing is this handheld one will only run you about $150, and it also has adjustable handles to have better leverage with your crimp. But the main question is, does it leak? Stick till the end to find out. If you're interested in this handheld ProPress tool, you can find it in the link in my bio. Now for the moment of truth, let's turn the water onto this bad boy and see if it holds. Since I wasn't covered head to toe with water, I'd say this crimp is a good crimp.